What them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. New link.
Blessing my viewers and subscribers, good morning. Don't know what's a New Link there from New Link Production people, and you don't know the situation we're in, I understand, and people honestly, I just can't give up on this right now, you know what I mean, until this 30 days. And as I did say in my live video, I said once there's a story that I see that's really need to talk about, I really definitely going to talk about it, even though I'm not gonna be, you know what I mean, pushing the videos like that amount of story like before. But once there's a story and I think the message need to go out there, people need to hear what I go on and say, I definitely gonna talk about it, people, you know what I mean. And anybody who want give you a support and give a contribution towards the channel, because you don't know the situation we're in, we have a PayPal link, you know what I mean, it's below the video, so you can click from there. And if you want to link up us and give, you know what I mean, differently, you can do link up us, message you on WhatsApp or follow me on Instagram and link me up, you know what I mean. So in the end now, people, I'm really going to talk about this story, and it's just a sad story that I'm really going to talk about now. And this, I just want the message to go out there that you must be careful. People out there, you need to be careful. Whether you're in a job, whether you're there, anywhere you're there at all, you need to just be careful. You know what I mean? Because you don't know. Once and you suspect something in life, like if you're in a job and you suspect something, just be careful. You know what I mean? Just be careful. So now I'm going to talk about this female now, people. You understand? This young female, beautiful young female. And them say this young female, who is from Bagwalk in St. Catherine, people, you know what I mean, has passed away. And she has passed away from poisoning. And it's just sad and terrible to know how this girl has lost her life, because they say she didn't get poisoned at her home. She didn't get poisoned on the street. She get poisoned at her job while she was on her job. And what is reaching New Link about what happened to this female is that this female recently purchased a car, people, because she got a promotion a couple months ago at her job. This female was complaining to her relatives and friends that another female at this job, since her promotion, was like mad with her and always saying to her how come she got the promotion and she should be the one who should get the promotion. Well, people, unfortunately, this female now is gone and was poisoned on her job, as to what them say. She was eating her food. She may leave the food in the fridge. She go back for the food, warm it in the microwave. Then she just get sick, start vomit and thing, rush to the hospital. And from the hospital, she was gone. And it's just sad and terrible to know what the heart of mankind has become. You know what I mean? Because you're on your job. You get me? And you got a promotion. It must be something that the boss seeing you are. I don't know what could lead to that promotion, because people do get promotion for different reasons. And someone who should be a co-worker, who should be happy for you, you know, understand, no matter what the circumstances, you get me? Because if I'm on a job and there's a co-worker who got promotion, I'm not going to feel envious of that person, you know what I mean? I'm going to feel good for that person, because to be honest with you people, I'm a person different and still, I don't like promotion thing. Me not like it, people. I don't like the promotion thing. I like to just stay on the level that I'm at. You know what I mean? I work my way and, you know, but I don't like because I know promotion going on at times, especially in Jamaica and other countries in the world. You get me? I say, people, promotion build envious against your own. You get me? Something I really like that something. So in the end, people, according to what they are saying now, this beautiful female was gone, and them say leave her little daughter, who, you know, young little daughter, people. They deserve this, because she get promotion, she buy a new car and thing, and from she buy a new car and everything with her promotion is just enemies. See? And people must really be careful. When they are work, if you can keep your food by at all times, man, but don't leave your food behind. We know people have this thing where they do have a fridge, like a main fridge in an office or something like that, and you will leave your food inside the fridge. You go on the work, do your couple hours, then you come back for lunch break, take your food and boom. You just don't know, because the devil in so much people nowadays walking on earth, and you don't know. You get me? I say, and the spirit can just in somebody and they just come like that and soup, and that's it. That's how they work, you know. You know what I mean? So people out there, you have to really be cautious of what you're doing. And from me, New Link Production and the whole team, and I just want to send out my deepest condolences to the family of this beautiful female has gone. You understand? And to our little daughter as well. You get me? I said, father, mother, everybody, my deepest condolences. But you know what I mean? It just sad people for know. On her job, she got promotion. She's a hard worker, as to what them I say. She's a very dedicated person to her job. She got the promotion, the boss seat, and see, you know. But like how we do got this news, people, and the people them who do reach out to us and share this news with us, I hope it go like what they are saying. Because if it go like what they are saying and the police do conduct their investigation into this thing, they will do make a breakthrough, and they should have no big thing to do, because if it's on her job, she do got it. The co-worker now used to be envious of her. They should investigate this co-worker, do some tests and everything, fingerprint, match anything, and see what happens. But to be honest, people, I've been in the workforce already, and I do see where I have a staff who did got the same problem already. But the great news is she was in the hospital. They have to flush out her body for a couple of days, and she didn't make it through. And I think what did happen, this staff, they'd have a bottled water, and she leave the bottled water in the, like she drinks some and leave the rest in the fridge. And so she just come back, like run her rounds and come back, people. And when she come back, she just grab the buckle and put it back her head. And unfortunately, someone do throw chemical substance in that, people. She drop, she faint, same time start fraud. They rush her to the hospital. She had to spend like 2 weeks in the hospital, people, to be honest with you. But the great news, she make it out. And she quit the job after that. She never come back. You know what I mean? But I'm just telling you, in the workforce, you can find these things. And this female, she never get no big promotion or nothing. She was just a regular staff like anybody else, just to tell her the truth. You know, so you just got to be careful. You really got to be careful. So, you don't know the thing of people. This is New Link Man from New Link Production. And you know what I mean, people, as I tell you, our channel has been demonetized right now. You get me answer, because of some circumstances. So they give us 30 days before we can do a reapply. I wish, you know what I mean, we hope for the best. We ask the fans to do to them on Twitter and everything. You get me answer, because we know we are a channel who, they say we use reuse content, people. And New Link always uses real original content. You get me answer? So I don't know what happened, if they have some glitch or something. But they say 30 days, all we do, we're going to wait and see. And if it should be a force where 30 days come and we apply and we don't get back our channel, then we have to take certain other stands, you know what I mean? Because we know this is our original content, and if you do watch my videos, you will see that, people. Even if we do add materials in those videos with somebody else, New Link is 90% in those videos. So, you don't know, people, appreciate the love, appreciate the support from each and every one. You get me? I say, you know, we not stop attack people, and we attack every enemies out there, every demon to get attacked. You get me? I say, every bad mind correct if you get attacked. You get me? I say, stop envy your brother, stop envy your sister, stop bad mind New Link. You understand? Let's live as one. You get me? But in this world now, people, mankind is totally different. So you don't know the thing of people, as I tell you, we have a PayPal link. So check below the video, you can do, you know what I mean, share a thing on PayPal if you want to contribute to our channel. You know what I mean? You can follow me on Instagram, DM me if you need to contact me in different ways. You can also email me. There's an email below the video as well, people. And you don't know, spread the love, man. And let's be one. You know what I mean? Thanks to the love, thanks to the support. I do appreciate you all. And as I said to you, you don't know, the video them not gonna come like that before, people. But each and every day we're gonna try and give you at least 1 or 2 videos. And if we don't share nothing for the day, don't worry about that. We're still here and still hanging on. And thanks to the love, thanks to the support again. Please, peace out. Attack them, New Link. Big up. Out.
What them a go do, you know? New Link and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. New Link.